Oh, you said go. You said go, you said go. Uh-huh.
Hast du jemals darüber nachgedacht, was Pflanzen alles für dich tun?
They do this kind of thing.
Wirklich?
Stop doing this kind of thing. Hi there, Apple. See myself. No makeup, you say. Good evening. See my lady, thank God. Say I don't miss your show today. I don't miss you, Ty. I say like, mwah. Love you. You know that job. See you, I know. Say you must come out. See, Everywhere no stew, everywhere sour. Everywhere sour. Sour, no stew. All the stew don't sour stew. Oh, I got you now. 1 year 9. I get a break by me. See my way. Oh, then you know I say. Why don't we? And when it take Yes. Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Hello, everybody. On a good evening, on a happy weekend. Like you all know, this is Tell Us the Word Queen, the capital triple SSF, one and only. No, my baby, but you're pulling no any way. You're going to be so bon on your what? What? Wato. Yes. And then do I talk by he said. All right. Anyway, I'm not coming here for problem. I just, like you all know, when I quit this Facebook, I tell una say, when important issue is there for me to talk about, when there is an important issue, a reliable issue that means something to every indigenous, that means something to every living soul. When such issue comes out, I still will not hesitate to deliberate on it. Such issue is this one that I'm saying that is going viral everywhere. This issue I've been shopping for, I think, for a while now on social media. I keep my mouth shut. Because why? The one that is shopping in Europe, the one where they happen for Europe, not get mini. You know understand? Not get mini. Because this matter, say me, they know it's not a talk. You don't understand. Mouth. Say me, they know it's not a talk. If you like, if you use your mouth to shop shit, shop anything, talk. Even you feel even inside your bedroom they cause Buhari. If you inside the bedroom they cause what do they call the other one with the America? Donald Trump, Fabi Trump. If you inside your room they come here, shower they come here. But if you inside your room they come here, Le Morocco they come here any name where you want come in. Unuma when Nigeria go my people. Unuma when Nigeria go. Yeah where unu agusi mieme ivia do we unu na agusi mieme ene afoma nu de foye na rekon ho egi asikoko egi ave roshi atia blanche neme nunu eme nunu gatia blanche nana blanche do roshi emare emergency ward wa what type one it poo. That is why it's better to talk. It's better not to talk than to say nonsense. And it's better not to talk than to say what you don't know. It's better not to talk than to talk and say sorry later. Very, very useless. Any issue or anything you talk about and later you come and say, I am sorry, meaning you don't even have a sense of reasoning. Era me no pe lota o when you evoke there you go o weta wa obera me di Ivo can there you go awa wa Ivo can there you go because egele no vo can there you go age oku because oga mi mozo to de go yes. So why am I telling ya fefe na ya where Umbe na mi ya den ya bwa kedo ade gbai. Or delay or do mi komi. Ebo ya na ga ta na ga ke stay less ma gwa. Igwa because unuma we na ji egwa. Unuma. O ma we na ji egwa. Yo, lo ba no ge gbe me dan so won nu. Obijo bi tun won pa won ko no ge dia don no ge gbe dan so won nu. No. Awon na ma ke gbusun gbe me dan so nu wa gbon. Na ya hina. Igbe me dan ga so won nu ni. Udu yu nu nwe to. Unu we. This is it. Epa Murphy, I'm not here to judge you. Neither I am here to tell you what you did is good or right. I'm only here to let you know. I believe after all this that has happened, I believe when I know like berana kwe na ogbo egbe, of course, olobo yen ogbo egbe kakabo. Iye ge na yagbo egbe, but by this time, iye wa be asiobo. You understand? I believe this one that just happens now. You shake your body. It touch your sense of reasoning. It touch you for kidney. For many years on social media, I never know you have a bad head. You may go back, man. You may go back, man. To my rugo, kamugo, gakman, gakman, rugo. Devia, a dear donoma, wagbono, go back, man. You might go back, man. You might have again, no back, I get a veget. Devia, dear donoma, wagbono, go away, any veget. Igbeme daga someone pa je. Kebere anakba. Mind yourself. Act like a responsible old man. Act like a father. Calling yourself a social media president, act like a president. Do like a president. I never knew. No, it's not funny. You know where no I'm not be a desi buy. I'm not a guy even ya gabi buy wa. Ona ya be wuku, be careful. Or when I go ever ni. Me mate ya go back man ya. True to God. When again I went dog back man. Do you know you have a bad hair before? You don't know. Me too, I don't know. Me mate. Me ma wege egwu ekuni oga wege we oga we we Facebook. Me ma gere akuni gere ovejeba. Degi edie do no ma wagmo. Degi edie do no ma. No ga wagmo ya semi na obege. Emi no kwa you, emi no ranwa na mabege. Edie do sia blinga sia si komodia. Okwa wo ko ibego ya nwan egbe. Enya wadi mo fiida. Mami wani walu leni ni wani kai ni mewe pawe wari. Kosi bege na wabune ni. Wabune, you guys are becoming many. You are becoming many. To be using your mouth to be saying, bow. I believe this one that you are seeing from Eddie Murphy, it has given you a lesson. They respected him. They give him respect. That's why they didn't flog him. And for your information, they did not banish him from palace. They did banish him from Edo State. Aja evoto. Eriawe. Emani woze egbene. Maga woze egbene. When your atrocity is too much, you go for an oath. You swear an oath. You swear the land of Edo State. They did not banish him. They did banish him. He's still Edo, Oriedo tata. He's still Edo child, Edo son, the blood of Edo State. But all voto ona muang. Or when oto dig when ye guge, abuma vota. Or when can many ya guga no guga, ona go kwa ya guga ni ye guga. No go fuck. Yeah, I'm coming, baby. No go fuck. Oh. You understand? So I believe this one that just happened now. I have given you, all of you, a lesson, and you have learned. If you want to wake up tomorrow, you wake up tomorrow, you start to say, about, shout, scream. Lara Ben, Abi Laura. What oba nani o Miami oba Eddie Murphy Miami oba o ye ma veti be mi oba Eddie Murphy yeti be mi oba o baba you didn't even see the king Laura ubega Eddie Murphy ma be oba o ma de be oba o kaka ave ehame nima ehame me ehame o be message no hiwo o e kun de Eddie Murphy na otobo won ere otan Tony Kabaka ga chief ave ehame ave kaka gban ni legal palace o e deal with Eddie Murphy na ana ya voto sioko akpejowo ana yoko pejowo Laura ubere olokun no wa munyawo ni Laura ati olokun ro ni gbomi no go wesi yin umi no be kama onu muru ligbe yoto umi no be kama wonu we muru ni gbe o ma no go wesi yin magbira na romigo ranomigo pakati oke go wesi ro ni gbe olokun gun woni be ti e yan pakati go we asin mi mami ya tabagu me wa ka mo ba ye de na wa ka mo ba na de wa tabagu me wa ma de ni ya pa ye wa na wa ro wa na po wa ya pa wa ya pa ya wa de e ke ba we should try wa go we spray ba Laura unwe no si e ugwe ni ya tinya we social media re kedu ade ni kun de wo kun ima ni kun de because no ya me kun de worry na ini wa he I be waiting for this so that when I'm talking I will have example of what I want to talk about. I have been waiting for a day like this. I respect to Eddie Murphy for using his 2 legs to go home to go do the cleansing. He have done the cleansing. He have used his mouth to when for everything he said against the great kingdom of Edo State. And I believe by now Laura Ben, not for no again no mose. Anyone must say Laura, enu wa ye sogwo se enu wa mose se ni. Umame wa ya go, ma ye rago, umaji ju ego, umaye gbewe go, ma ye be ravi ju ego. O ya te bagwe me. O ko mo ba na de. Ti bare. Asa ya gbele wa ya. Ya gbele wa ya ni me flash wa. Mama na. Ala ko na wala hin. Ala mi. Laura, amimimi. Mane Eddie Murphy. Ubere vie ko gbe posasi ba. Uwe. Ihwe ki oba, ihe ga lenye yo. No gbe ihwe ki mana lele. Ana be vikbe abo edele. Wa bi jore, Laura bi jore. Wa e sevu wa inu ne Facebook no wa mu wa go dey other Facebook. Or by politician. Or by governor. Egen obana iruli egen ave shift ave traditional na rule yes ake bi ma wa tele ave time egen ni tele ukpagaro ya ga ma o electric maro ave ami udupo amrupa ade egen ya rurupe ukpo ga ma 30 years ago ave egen all those days naga ya mwe power na democracy abi democracy naga ya mwe power na democracy mu ye traditional rulers obore democracy ya mu dato omna maka bajore wow if you know what is good for you now jore stay away from palace issue you are Laura una too far we ko boko go spoil body una too far we you quick your bag go just slap and kick iye te scatter your body. You know, it has been a while. You guys have not visited Edo State. I go there last year. My eyes see something. Edo State is no longer that place you just go outside and say, hey, we are the owner of this town. Nothing they happen as it be before. No, you don't dare eat these days. You are not the owner of the town. The people that hold the town, the days that have they looking with satellites. At the time when they want to answer you, like big for your head. Baga talk me, he said, no, I'm married. Why and then look back like that. Laura. Where you know where be via gunu when we are working as a problem you were. The problem you are at all cassava not be your problem these days. Don't learn how to control your mind. You are too beautiful to be talking shit. It's better not to talk than to talk nonsense, Laura. Shut up. Facebook is not compulsory. You must do live video. And if you want to do the live video, you don't have something good to talk about, come out and play. Play with yourself, dance, sing, shout. Nobody go ask you, why are you singing? Why are you shouting? Why are you doing this? Desmond, I saw you last year in the bank. I was sitting beside you in First Bank. Yeah, thank you. Maybe it's possible because I did be my Olugbokumo, it was a nearby farm for me that year when I go home. First Bank every second. Yeah, that is that. So now what see? I can't tell now. Now be this. This one I don't hear like this. Una don't see. Hell. They're not banished at the Murphy. They're using to sewer the land of Edo State. Aya evoto. Amwewo ne die. Amwewo ne move. Aya evoto. Wami inwani ya sulele. Wame inwani ya sulele. Do a mahoni suwe. You the song what they sing follow. Orionba toga sungu wedene boruwa. Orionba toga sungu wedene boruwa. Orionba toga sungu jari. Orionba toga sungu wedene boruwa. Orionba toga sungu wedene boruwa. Orionba toga sungu wedene boruwa. Orionba toga sungu. Orionba toga sungu wedene boruwa. Orionba Ijare Orionba toga sungu wedene boruwa. Orionba jabi. Orionba toga sungu wedene boruwa. Orionba Orionba toga sungu wedene boruwa. Akbelele. Ela be pe jowo o wagele vio wa sin en gbin won la pe amo yin kian akpe jowo ile le a suori abo kian iwon na sule lori abo ni hin Orionba toga sungu wedene boruwa. Orionba toga sungu wedene boruwa. Orionba toga sungu wedene boruwa. Orionba kegbe wedene boruwa. Orionba toga sungu wedene boruwa. Orionba kegwa wedene boruwa. Orionba toga sungu Orionba toga sungu jare. Orionba toga sungu Orionba ikasi wana last week ina wejegbe o abi 2 weeks ago wegi jegbe o omo no gbigi abo gigban jegbese jegbe o epoli ekege amuwowo o no gbigi abo gigban jere o wegi jegbese no gbigi abo gigban jere o adaga kin ba na la no gbigi abo gigban jere oriabo na leruna o no gbigi abo gigban jegbese. Now not the year word. Ata. Now so no everywhere good now. I can't congratulate a Paddy Murphy. But you don't wear crown. You join your presidential seat without election. Your presidential seat or presido will not do the election. No election. You don't even get opponent. Nobody they follow you, they drag the position. Now you don't wear crown. Join the presidency. It is well with you. Right on. I believe by now. You go dey adjust. You go dey adjust for certain things wey they do. You go dey adjust for certain things wey they use your mind dey measure. You go dey adjust for certain matter wey they embrace without consulting them. You go dey adjust for certain things wey be say you go resort to this kind of thing. Imagine. Eke gbewa agbo ogun zide ogun apoko ogun amo. Be o ko ni asile lo ni pa. Aleru na se gbo ni lo ma. That is not a proud. Don't be proud of it, a Paddy Murphy. Eya ruo. Tuje gwa ba ya mwegie. You didn't go the palace for chieftaincy title. You didn't go the palace to go and tell Oba thank you for what you have done for everybody. But all I know be say you go there. Ana ya mwevo no dana ya wevo to. As it is now, mind yourself, Epa. Mind yourself. Don't let people be pushing you to do what you don't supposed to do. And if you know they listen to person, Epa, supposing they listen to person, when you bring this matter of Ijore come out for your party, I stroke it. Itamawe ina wimo bobo Epa ewebo. Enu ya mwebwe yo tori Ijore miewefo. Obonu ya sijo enu ya Ijore na miewefo. Inya won ebono ya le lobo kan ena ya gbobo kan kwa kan ya gbo maku. I told you everything. Kuwe ki vie ke ave noge. Wana yogwe wana ya lokomenita wana yogwe sinwa what is she saying? wana yo gwela wa madam yo me wa igu me so wana ya asuma la live video wana to see egbo wa gboda kinama ona see egbe se. I believe by this time, don't let people push you apart. You are too old that children should be pushing to do what you're not supposed to do. Clement, thank you. You wasn't there. Sky Armstrong was there. Sky Armstrong was there. I told them, even Bobo, forget this matter. Umu jore wo vi jore gbogbo agboko we Facebook wo wu meme vi go egun abege no be ya wu meme una ya kun ya gun ke palace de ni yobe va gunu wana aro bi eme ogi se gbe wana go ni do de ba we ho e na meri hu ekeni ati hu ese ni ihu jore be Facebook ona ari be Facebook ona ga re YouTube e pa we ya hu e be YouTube do me ko be nu hu eri wati be ya hu e be YouTube be hu ari yo be ekeni mi ati hu ese ni ihu e beraba wa maria menita wana yo koya wana yo way ya lokoy una take my words like small pikin na not listen but today unko agisioko what okay so next time iya wo audio ho owo ka ho u de se ro ne no nwa abo mai wa we wa bemiku wa be weso u be wese u de se be ro no wo ka be bu no nwa ai o ga we o yu wese o ga be weso o be wa bemiku e gba no wa fo. That is why I told you to forget that matter that day. Madam Yome. So that is all. What you write? What be this? That is too much. What you do? Destiny Nancy. If I go ask them for palace now, you hear say my partner royalty. My partner native daughter not royalty. I don't even have a royal blood. You're not even close to me. I not get this question like this. Tony Kabaka was there in the palace. You get a Facebook, contact him, ask him. Tony Kabaka, that was too much. What did he do? That is somebody that she is very, a famous public figure like Tony Kabaka was there. You can call him to ask him what did he do. That was too much. Not me now. My father was just ordinary native daughter. He retired and he died. Not ever a royalty. Royalty blood is not close to me. So I did know what to do. What I know now is happen now. I have voted. I'm a banisher. They did banish him. For those of you that they banish a part, yeah, but mama mani ya banish a palace. Na asulu koko royo hu. Na asulu koko royo hu. Na asulu koko royo hu. Na kwe na kwe. They ya banish ma. All everybody will be present. Akwe. Na he. I'm a banisher. I have voted. Omaga iwoze egbe. I koka you away. Kogeva you away. Koge you away. Okawega is a lare walk down. Where your name become too much for batting. Every time this person. Now that kind of thing that they use that they do. They go use the swear land. Swear the land where you were born, the land of your birth. You will swear. Hope I not late come class. So hey, see my person. Kenu, I welcome people. Kenu, Concolette, Matiti, my senior colleague. I must respect you. Anytime where I see you for my platform, Egbewa Amume, Segwe. You're not too late. You are not too late at all. Say less now. So many Benin live video presenter go take end up for palace. Make our people receive sense. Yeah, my me na small. All about was say you might be buzzing no book, my me on my door. You might go my senior door. You might be bomb me on that one. You might blow your man there. If I'm coming, but be very, very careful of what you are saying with your mouth. Paddy, be careful this time. Clement, I believe say Paddy Murphy like you well because you and they always they do 247. What here? We get live video. Clement, if Eddie Murphy is your father, I believe you won't let him go in this length of disrespecting himself to the extent of going stream naked to swear to an deities for just a word of his mouth. You understand? Talk to him. Wari e total boude. You wanna solo lene, you wanna solo no mama kamo geno ma. You should be careful also. Very, very careful, my sister. You're very careful. Ni me ya me pishi me wa we bobe do ati me ibe wa bobe do ati me ibe jegbese. I me ibe jegbese ni ya. Very, very careful. Very, very careful. Iye, I have a boni me gbava. Na my mother tell us I no go do again. But when important issue come, I go come talk. That make me come so come talk for this one. Clement don't advise himself. Egba no man for Rosemary Obaze. Egba no man for. I mean, I man we anywhere and this one don't fit take off himself. Don't fit talk to himself. Not talk or say want talk to me. Now such people. That one there. But we not sure, Bobo. We no ma. This is not a good record. Social media was just for fun. Small. When I yakin of it, they turn out to something else. Nah. A palace when I have ven, or when I have vogudugu, when I have very remove mahu. Palace when I have kuboli la mumahu. No kuboli la bonobohaya never a bonobohayo big gawebu. Rosemary Obaze, Clement is not mature. You were the write this comment. Sorry to say, you are writing out of immaturity. Believe me. You were the write this one, so you are just writing out of immaturity. Sense of maturity never day with you by yourself. Sorry to say. Because I don't know that na your boyfriend or na your husband or na your ex or na your brother. I remember no for nobody no finish for this life. Nobody no finish for this life. Some people will go look and say, hey, this one, now I go tell you what you go make you better tomorrow, you will be surprised. Some people will go look say, may I listen to Ramu, very decent woman, very responsible woman. You go push you. Or you have your boy, you go a guy. Any answer the muffin you your boy around with your venania. So still let's please be a past social media advisor. No. Me I want advice. If me want advice about the month, you go take my advice to be a smoker advice. Like he said I'm a smoker. He said I'm a drunk. Like you all always said. So anyway, my sister, I like your comment because your new advice them well because a lot of them they are misbehaving. They took a lot of Clement is the one giving a bad advice. If na they give a bad advice, but this one now when himself don't see so you go see change. That is all. So you go see and say the advice where they give am before they not resemble, good. You go see switch to good advice. That is just see the Oba Palace non before shut play. They don't know. And by the month it is say if you read there you go you see Oba by himself. Why you get the gun not having talk by himself. If you read there go you see Oba go say Oba no verse so baba every baba la baba. Umio. And the jure too now what you jure the expect say I was a palace here one me Oba go you see me like this. I go you talk Oba say na yes you get send me. I go you talk Oba ya talk me. Oba me yes you give. I mean na me. Imwa me yes you give. Ona wazumeme. Agizumeme. Ona when you say ya me. Oba. Agizumeme Oba. Ona when you say ya me. Igizumeme ya me niya. Ona when you mumo. Igi mumo na so aroro. The swan by the more you jore, and the swan now the swan go and yaga. Oh, bow. Abba, ìjọ́rẹ̀ ọ̀sẹ̀ tí wẹ́. Oh God. Ọba ọ̀sẹ̀ tí wẹ́ o bàbá ọ̀sẹ̀. Oge agbewo adala. Ya te wa mo pa lo bi ani wa bi asan yo ikebe. Emi mi ane we na gba asan la la no wan. Ate wa gbo asan. Na wa bi asan yo orisan. We total we flat wo aga dorisan wa anyo po onyo wo yo ni go dey make shh. We want give you 22 lashes. When you sit down for a side flight, they come by your nails go to say shh. I'm be like, hey, amami, what's it? Si jore, e di mo fi do mo ya de palace. O do mo mi akia. Ike well. E palace yo ni wa je. E yo ni je palace ni. Iyo ni je gwa. Wa me gwa jo. We have say gwa. We have come no gwa do ba. Ave come no Yes, again on Sandra Faith. It's a guy come gwa. I'm not gonna was a palace. Okay, one yam in 1 year welcome me. Or you got a palace. Or you got a palace soon away be Jore church member and follow for back. The more you not you follow and never little be you want done as well. Oh, you ba tora soon because the church member no the social media member not follow. Therefore they say, oh presido, oh presido, oh presido, oh presido, oh presido, oh presido, oh presido. Suppose the Facebook people follow. As the Facebook people not follow, na Kakagman follow, na they give Kakagman music. Orion ba tora sungu we de nevorowa. Orion ba tora sungu we de nevorowa. So you jore people, wagale li jore here na follow for back. God of Ijore set on fire. 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 Wa swali le ade palace. God of Ijore set on fire. 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 Why is a palace? Or the well. Oba attack. Baba. Baba. Epa, my jere, ijere namo, ijere no yewega, ijere ne muse, ijere, oba, baba, my jere, baba, give baba. Baba, ukpe 17, ukpe hara wa gura wugie. Egbe kan be we bona. Iyore, ukpe hara wugie egbe kan be we bona baba. Baba, mwa sati wera me. Ukpe hara wugie. Egbe we Paris. Baba wanna party say black in my young winner. Baba, I give a very yes, you get me. Oh, to make Bible. Ebo, Senegal, Ghana, Mali, Igbo. Baba sat you well. You know the me yesigi. You give me yesigi. On a was men. I was men. Umeni. And I want is the yame. It was Yamina Wamu. You want one Baba. Ọba bẹ o ọba bẹ na ọba iwa wa mẹmu mẹni náà sọ arọrọ iná kẹtí pẹlẹbẹ làyàn bẹ kẹtí náà sọ àmẹtí pẹlẹbẹ ìyíṣẹ mẹtí pẹlẹbẹ iná wẹtí pẹlẹbẹ là máa ṣẹ iná wíyọ ní gbẹmẹ dán sùnyàn nù ẹ gbẹmẹ dán sùnyàn nù ríjọ rẹ ẹ yẹn náà làdìyàn ẹ náà wọ ọba tàbí ọkọ náà ọba tàbí ọkọ. Oturu gbeke edu wa yawe wa memi sebia wa gino tagata sebia ya memi ni carry on na ino jo for la dan isoma enwita ri for ni pupo gwa kara no wa ya yu emeso kedu ogan ba toga sungu 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 kedu ogan ba. Eddie Murphy had been declared as an enemy of the palace. It's not true. It is not true. They did not declare him as an enemy of the palace. They warned him and he swore to the land of Edo State. You see what happens there. They didn't banish him from the palace. I'm going to die. I'm going to die. So that okay, I'm going to la salopua. That the Murphy video that you walking on the way I get Larabe. Laura won home ebo do won home ebo home where man home ebo whatever because although I work by the Spanish ena yagwe has boy gun adu yagwe ne ebo gun awo biere where is ebo is a confused person. Ebo is not confused, you don't know what to do. Ege boy who if one man ya rom me buy there with the Mafia report in police station. If you let that Iboma pursue you, the way the that one take pursue me, the way the Mafia go report my name for police station. Go you pursue you come outside. You know see where I go. You dey street. Oh, me I see where I enter. You know see where I go. You see all look on nigbe. Don't leave you. Anyway, I tell look on nigbe gari ogo. Look on nigbe gari ogo. Look on nigbe gari ogo. You go change talk. You go change talk. Who wrote this? Let me see what. If our wife get big fault, she not just they advise her husband at her. She too they support her husband for bad. God way he create woman and man together, he no make mistake. If one they go wrong, the other go advise him. His wife no they do like that. What if he's doing is not working? What if he do is not the work? Eyan is able where Camera come. When is it go where if you cannot beat them, you join them. Now it's okay, be. If you know what say because your husband not the year word, not the remi your word already. If you can't come up for husband as you go marry her, now make her dead there. We are dead there. Yeah, what that level rules and not see John and next summer. We are now one same story. Now make she just keep a nyash for one seat for one place. Why that should they talk if I know the year? You know? You don't know. If you they talk now, if I know the listen, go say I'm the man of the house. I am. You know there are some men like that. There are some men who just take because they are man or their husband or they are the one having the dick there. They think because they are mad, they have all the final says when it comes to relationship or marriage. No. In my own side, if you are my boyfriend, you are my man. If you have an option, I have opinion. Of course. If you have an idea, I got option. That is it. So you know for your time you say because they say like that. In a way, as you lay your bed, as you spread your body, so you lie down on top of it. You understand? As you spread your body, same way you lie down on top of it. That is it. I believe say so cannot go just sit down, say they enjoy the insult where people they give her husband for Facebook. She's not enjoying it. She would expect her to come back to social media to come and be crying to every one of us. Oh no, she won't do that. If she come and come they cry, come be like say she they fall her husband hand. Is your baby ready? Is your baby sucking? Yeah, what more na udari boy. When a child is about beating, you just advice. Always sucking. Advice ringu na beside the be gba wa. Maybe no na sunu na nia. Advice aga win this time. I don't know. I'm just saying, maybe by this time, Avas go there. Where all the Murphy followers, they no come see say their master have been disgraced. And they see some of them for here. Then they do holy Kokole don't show. Kokole don't show. Area J. Coco, let's we may one any answer again. Me they looked and 1 hour I want spend here. We may one any answer way. Yagbobo can a police your gas say ho. Obo my yazori so magico eh. Yagbi biakani so gagare igalele wese ba o. Obo my yazori so magico eh. Obo my yazono. Yes so magico. Obo my yazono brother. Iyale lo magbera wa o. Iwo boma yezano na. Iwi yeso mayiko. Oboma yezano seme. Iyale lo magbera wa o. Yagbobo kwani e police agase o. Oboma yezori so mayiko eh. That is it. Ave go do. He not banish. Who banish him? Banished by who? He wasn't banished. Aya evunto. Nakere. Ozera ebungbe. When your atrocity is too much. That is what they do. This is not my first time to witness something like this. I believe it's not also my second time. I have been seeing this for a very, very long time. Back in the days, that year in the village, there was a man in my village, the village where I was born and brought up. So this person, every year when she want to confess, they must confess him. They must confess this woman. So they don't get what to do, that to carry and go over palace, that it was the time of Obaire Diawa. They took him to palace. Anaya voto ona wa mowo. Aba mowo we ya na amaga beg boga the mofino ya samowo. Yes. Or you voto ya voto when you after you finish sway to the land, then you drink from the erosion from the land to please the God for your cleansing of everything that you have said or whatever you might have done. That is how they do it. They don't banish them. If they banish Eddie Murphy for palace, Eddie Murphy for don't come out for Benin since now. If they go banish her for them, which one be palace? If they want banish her, say they will banish her for Benin. Edo pata banish to banish person to send person out for the land. Who be this person wey say na mumu? Among everybody where they come, where they here since now let this Alex Ojo, bon if the Murphy vient au bout. Bon the Murphy vient Alex no Ojo. Bon ya fait okoni ansi ve gwa be na. Bon ya fait baby mu ya fait ni ansi o to ni ya the Murphy ya vient ya fait Alex no Ojo bon o ya gbo. Ya mi a o gbede pe gbon mi. Bon ni o gbo. That one is for you. Because imagine when you were. What Bumi and they were mumu. You were. What did I do you that is calling me mumu? I'm only telling the people that is shouting. May they say and say for bad they can alle. I don't le wa no bag mumu you rough 40. Come they insult me. Ebon the Murphy vient au bout. I mean, unless you know you do. See your head. So that is that. I know you can insult a partner. That's why I want to carry name do ye. I'm only the tell and say this one way don't happen. So make it stay clear. Make it not be say stay clear from Facebook. Make it they adjust. So certain things. Adjust yourself from certain things. All those childish things. All those things maybe say, oh my sure man like you go, you're the Facebook, they say you want to talk to people. Agmoyado ati if I shut up, go sleep. If I know the shame, if I go sleep, if I shut up your mind, enter house, if I enter house. I don't know that you know they read all those comments. If I enter house, if I shut up, go sleep, all those kind one. Change them so that those people where they tell you shut up, they will still turn the matter around. Taya if I get cassava no listen now although say the thing dey say boss at obi afiere obiere be here na ko mu kmo go obiere ko afiere obiere owe na ya yo ele de na vive kwa rieke ona ko mu kmo go obiere ki o kan la o afiere ebi si me mu e get where So na so that one there be. I don't get anything where I want to join this one. I don't talk and finish. I got 7 minutes to go. For love, the rest of my ways when I want to go palace, I'm your Joe. You do it. We me go. We go out here. You be quick about laying you. 5 minutes to go. 5 minutes. Good boy. High five. I'm coming. Oh, I'm coming. Put it back in the microwave. No. Then I'm coming soon. Just 5 minutes. Yeah. Thank you. So. Who shall say? Brother Faye, there. Brother Faye, you come here. As you here, not there. Only. Well, what's a Brother Faye, Faye. I go to palace. It a go say. I go to palace. But so no wo ko e ya ta. Mama de mo fi ga na anya kan. Because on hama ge gun na ko anya kan lele ya na anya kan. Na anya kan lele ya na ko anya kan lele ya. Because be ma na ye bo kan na gbe me wate. Brother Faye, agun e palace e ta agun se e una ye concussion ya ke concussion my sister agun se e nu ya se pa ya se on y no tension on ma ton me we can y no tension na me be Brother Faye on y no tension e na no ba ton me and I'm gonna honey. And I want someone. I'm a shower. we palace agun ase brete fei. Agbiwe ba. Wa gbiwe be nutamana gba wa so aban yo ohun. Yeah, what can buy? Yeah, what can buy? Where it? Oh my goodness! Oh, Una don't make me laugh today. I love you people. I love Una. I love Una. Thank you all. Those of Una where inbox me the video of a Paddy Murphy through message. I appreciate you all. And the Paddy, I appreciate your courage. Now man you be. I appreciate your courage. But now be very, very wise. Be vigilant. Be reasonable. I'm not saying you are stupid. You are not stupid, but don't let children of supposed to be your child age to be pushing you to do things that you don't supposed to do. Or because people many way they do live video. If this matter come, if I not quit talking now, Monica can't talk. If I not quit talking now, Lolo can't talk. If I not quit talking now, let's go can't talk. If I not quit talking now, me I not talk B&B go can't talk. Make I not talk about the rest of them. Because I have any theology and the rest of them I talk, they hungry them. My boyfriend has God give me. What shall I do? Live video, not be their problem. So, not the rush matter. Take your time. Take your time. Take your time. Deliberate on issue as an elderly man, as a matured man that you are. That is my little advice I have for you. I have nothing against you. You might wear a new man will say or a new will say, but I praise you for Osati, where my brother. I praise you for going there to make a cleansing for what you have said with your mouth. Next time, control. That is all I have to say. But if why they bondage? But if you why they bondage? Who bandage them? The break hand. No me know what the Boko Haram will come release them very soon. No wahala. So that is all I got to tell you, everybody. And I'm gonna leave you now. My boyfriend has finished cooking. I need to go eat. My baby has finished cooking. I need to go eat. And thank you everyone for joining me. And I appreciate you all till further notice. Ni ani ke ave jeguare. We do gbe abokian. Oru aja he o. Oru aja he no ja webo. Oru aja he o wiye meniye. Oru aja he o. Oru aja he no ja webo. Iworu aya he o. Oko aya he no ja webo. Wasi oko lele o. Oru aya he o. Oru aya he no ja webo. Na bye bye o. Na good night. Me wene CE Otumba. I don't get sense. I don't receive sense since I come back from Nigeria. I receive sense when I go Bungo. I receive sense. I'm not going to go. They don't do me anything, but what in my eyes see, the way I test see everything, give me sense. Of course, I receive sense. We are here palace, but I receive sense, my brother. I receive sense. I have a bomb. I don't receive sense. My mama go eat my bye. Choose everybody. Going to the kitchen, going to the dining to go and eat. My baby has finished cooking. What the? Tia bagome. Ubere mania me obao. Inwedo wo ya so lele. Be careful. Be very, very careful. Be very, very. I don't get sense, my brother. I don't get sense. Then I will make me money. Not go fuck oh. Now bye bye. Good night, Tony Princess. Good night, mommy. Good night, mommy. Greet my daddy for me. Greet my baby girl for me. Bye bye, baby. Let's eat. Bye bye, everybody. Bye bye. Good night. Good night. Bye bye. Good night. Okay. Osati, where my people? I said, why, oh, why you say? One me move wa kevia. One me, ne move come back. Do me tell. Let me post women for you. I can post. Thank you. I can post. Thank you. One love, guys. You go stop smoking, okay? You demand. Now you dey buy my razor, I don't worry you. When I block you, if I don't need to ask you, may I block you? Now you dey buy my razor, they worry this one. You know I'm for razor. The place. Just say born for small children. Not get money on the smoking. But are you okay? Don't try that nonsense with me. My book will pay your ass for a month. If you try and again write me that shit. What's wrong with you? Are you okay? Passenger go dance naked. Oh, na good night. Na good night.